Taking the PERT? We can help. Complete test of Post-Secondary Education Readiness Test Study Guide, prepared by a dedicated team of exam experts, has everything you need to pass the PERT. Includes all content areas with hundreds of practice questions, including reading comprehension, mathematics, and writing. Plus 2 sets of practice questions, with full answer key giving detailed step-by-step solutions. Easily learn the correct answer, why it is correct, and why the other choices are incorrect. Also included are multiple choice strategies from exam experts. Learn multiple choice tips and strategies to answer questions faster and increase your score. Each content area features an in-depth self-assessment with practice questions, complete answer key, and tutorials with examples to see where your strengths and weaknesses are. Includes a bonus chapter on how to make a study schedule and study plan. Remember, it only takes a few marks to separate the fail from the pass students. Get the book and start studying to increase your score today.